Hello student of class 9. Today I am going to explain you number system exercise 1.6. Now here laws of exponents of real number. A to the power m into a to the power n. Multiply. In multiplication power should be added for the same base. So a to the power m plus n. Next is a to the power m power n. Their power should be multiply. A to the power m into n. A to the power m upon a to the power n divide. In divide power should be subtracted. A to the power m minus n. Next is a to the power m b to the power m. Base different but power same. In this case base should be multiplied. So it is ab to the power m. Now different questions to solve it. First question, find 64 to the power half. It is 64 means 8 square. 8 to the power 2 to the power half. So power should be multiplied here. So it is 8 to the power 2 into 1 upon 2. 2 to cancel, it is 8 only. 32 to the power 1 upon 5. 32 means 2 to the power 5. If you find the prime factorization method by prime factors, 2 to the power 5, it is power 1 upon 5. So 2 to the power 5 into 1 upon 5 is equal to 2. 125 to the power 1 upon 3. 5 to the power 3, 125. Into this it is 5. Now find 9 to the power 3 upon 2. So it is 9 means 3 to the power 2. 9, 3 3 is a 9. And power 3 upon 2. The answer is cancel. It is 3 power 3. So it is 27. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. 32 to the power 2 upon 5. 32 means 2 to the power 5 into its power is 2 upon 5. So it is 2 to the power 5 into 2 upon 5. It is 4. 16 to the power 3 upon 4. 2 to the power 16 is 2 to the power 4. And it is 3 upon 4. So it is 4 cancel. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. 125. It is 5 to the power 3. Power minus 1 upon 3. 5 to the power minus 3 into 1 upon 3, it is 5 to the power minus 1. Minus 1, it should be reciprocal. So it is 1 upon 5. Where any power, so base should be reciprocal. Now next question is simplify 2 to the power 2 upon 3 into 2 to the power 1 upon 5. Base same, power should be added. So it is 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. So this is 2 to the power 13 upon 15. 1 upon 3 to the power 3. It should be when this power comes, it's reciprocal. So 3 to the power minus 3 it is. And into 1 minus 1 upon 3. So it is minus minus plus 3 3 cancel. 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3. Next question is 11 to the power 1 upon 2 upon 11 to the power 1 upon 4. Base same. Power should be subtracted. So power subtracted, it is 11 to the power 1 upon 4. Next in multiply, base are different, power same. In this way base should be base should be multiplied. So it is 7 into 8 to the power 1 upon 2. It is 56 to the power 1 upon 2. Now this is the exercise and this much question only in this exercise. Now the next few question I have given additional. First question is 243 to the power 32. Power is minus 4 upon 5. Where it is minus sign, we can reciprocal this. So it is 32 upon 243 to the power 4 upon 5. 32 is 2 to the power 5 and 243 3 to the power 5. So it is now 2 upon 3 to the power 5 into 4 upon 5. So it is 2 upon 3 to the power 4, 5 cancel, and it is 2 to the power 4. 2 4 times you multiply, 16. 3 4 times multiply, 81. So 16 upon 81. Next this question you see. Under root 4 root of under root 3 root of x to the power 12. In this way, one by one, from the inside you have to solve x to the power 12. This under root means it is 1 upon 3 should come in power. This means 1 upon 3 should multiply with power. So it is x to the power 12 into 1 upon 3. Next step, it is 4 is here, x to the 3 4s are 12, it is x to the power 4. Now 4 again it will come as multiply 1 upon 4. 4 cancel, x to the power 1 is x. Now this question has given x to the power a plus b. This question has given, now we have to solve it. It is x to the power, all are the base are same, so power should be added. So x to the power a plus b, b plus a plus c plus b plus c plus c plus a upon, here same also, it is x to the power a plus b plus c into 2. A plus b plus c into, power 2. Now it is this one, 2 times a, 2 times b, 2 times c. So x to the power 2 times a, b, a plus b plus c, and it is x to the power should be multiplied. So 2 into this should be cancelled, same power. So it is 1. Now x to the power a, x to the power b, its power is 1 upon ab. Same this question now. When you multiply, it is divide. So this should be subtract, x to the power a minus b power 1 upon ab. Same this one and same this one also I have done. Now for this, power should be multiplied. So a minus b upon ab, b minus c upon bc upon bc, and c minus a upon ac. Now power base same. So x to the power this plus this plus this. Okay. Now if you add this 3, now look at here, a upon ab minus b upon ab. In this way you can break it. Okay. Now a cancel, 1 upon b, 1 upon a, 1 upon c, 1 upon minus 1 upon b plus 1 upon a minus 1 upon c. Now plus minus plus minus plus minus, this number can cancel. Now all are cancelled, so x to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now next question is, if a plus b to the power minus 1 into x to the power minus 1 plus y to the power minus 1 is equal x to the power p, y to the power q, proof that p plus q plus 2 is equal to 0. Now simple calculation it is, x to the power x plus y to the power minus 1, you have to reciprocal this one. So 1 upon x plus y, and this one also 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. And it is as it is right hand side. Now left hand side, this much, just copy it. This one you have to add it. xy is LCM, so it is x plus y. Now x plus y can cancel. So 1 upon xy is equal to x to the power p, y to the power q. 1 upon xy means x to the power minus 1 and y to the power minus 1. If you compare right hand and left hand side, its power is p is equal minus 1, q is equal to minus 1. This value we have got. Now substitute this value in this relation. It is p plus q plus 2 is equal minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. Proved. That one proved. Now next question, if x to the power x minus 3 into 5 to the power x minus 3 into 3 to the power 2x minus 8 is equal 225, then find the value of x. You have to solve this type of equation. Now 225 means 15 square. Left hand side just copy it. Now 15 means 5 into 3 square. It is 15 is 5 into 3. Now you have to relate 5 power and here 5 power. Now it is 5 to the power 3 plus 3 minus 3, x minus 5 to the power x minus 3 is equal 5 to the power 2. Then x minus 3 is equal to 2, we can take x is equal to 5. Now then 3's power, 3 to the power 2x minus 8 is equal 3 to the power 2. Then 2x minus 8 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 5. Done it? Very interesting question this one. And this one, last one also. A to the power x is equal b to the power y is equal c to the power z, and b square is equal to 4ac has a given. Now show that y is equal to this relation. Let when these three are equal, we can take another one variable that is equal to k we can take. Okay. Now then one part by one, a to the power x equal k. So a is equal to k to the power 1 upon x it is. Now b to the power y is equal k. So b is equal to k to the power 1 upon y. Same c is equal to k to the power 1 upon z. Now relation has given b square plus ac. You substitute this value in b square plus ac. B square is equal to ac. B square equal to ac. Substitute the value. Now k to the power 2 upon y is equal to k to the power 1 upon x plus 1 upon z. Power should be added. Now it is next step is 2 upon k cancel, 2 upon y is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon z, this one. Now next step I have written here 2 upon y is equal to, if you add this one, xy LCM and x plus z, xz LCM x plus z. Now it is cross multiply and y is equal to you will get 2xz upon x plus z. So that relation has given to proof. It is proof. And it is the last question. Thank you very much. Now listen, I have given an assignment, same type of question what I have explained to you already in this exercise. Same type of questions are here. You have to solve all these questions. Answer also I have given here. You will check it and which part is the proof, that you can find the answer. Hello, you can prove that. Same type of question you can check it from the answer. Thank you very much.